Here at One Way UK, we have a great range of different resources for you to use in your TOTS group. I want to show you today one called our Easter Butterflies. It comes with a poem that you can read and 10 3D printed beautiful butterflies with different coloured netting for each of the 10. What you can do is you can download 3 different choices of music from the website with the product, and then have them all in the drawstring bag, and then encourage the children to come one at a time to pick the colour of the butterfly out of the bag, or you can do a bit of a treasure hunt for the butterflies, and then the children can run around with the butterfly and make it fly as you read the poem. And with the 10, there's a good number for the children to join in and all participate with these tactile, colourful butterflies. Again, not only at Easter, but you can use them at any time of the year with different songs. You can have a different butterfly hunt, and it's just a great way of involving and interacting with the children at Easter and at any other time of the year as well.